I think in my experience, working with various schools, the most effective interventions have been those that target emotional regulation, particularly those that have, I guess, both a cognitive and a behavioural element. The feedback from schools, I would say, has been pretty positive on the whole. We've seen some kind of really promising results, both in terms of the actual feedback from the students themselves, from the teachers, but also the empirical evidence to kind of back that up. I think certain things are nice and transferable to different situations. When we look, for instance, at diaphragmatic breathing, techniques that aim to relax the individual and enable them to regain focus and attention on the mathematics rather than the anxiety.
In research that I've conducted previously as well, I've found that diaphragmatic breathing has been very effective and has helped to almost calm children, and to an extent we saw a performance increase as well, which touches upon the emotional element of maths anxiety. We've also found in research that a reflective, collaborative approach after a maths task has allowed children of varying ability in maths to share their ideas, share their approaches to how they solve a concept, and that was really beneficial, particularly for those that struggle more with maths, to actually have that shared understanding of how they may be able to improve. So a collaborative approach could actually be a very effective tool as well.
Through speaking to many teachers now across the UK and abroad, actually, it's become very apparent to me that something needs to change within the classroom, and not just the classroom necessarily, but what teachers are kind of forced to teach and how they're forced to teach that. So when we look at the curriculum and we look at the way that children are assessed, it's often based on things like speed of processing. So children will very quickly, again this is founded upon evidence, very quickly associate mathematics with speed, and that those who are very good at maths are those that are necessarily the fastest.